Okay, let's start to do for the next week. Planning for next week, any trading zone and any things to be coming up. First, start with the calendar. So this week is 6th of April to 10 April. So based on calendar, Monday is mostly all the bank holiday. Okay, so maybe it's a US session, maybe quite okay for S&P and then Nasdaq, but unless the Aussie 200 and UK 100 no trading on the Monday. So Monday is market closing for you Aussie and the UK. Tuesday and Wednesday quite okay. Thursday also tradable. Friday. Okay, Friday is a US CPI news, so it's maybe impact. So but anyway, it's a Friday is 8:30 p.m. US session, so it's market closing. So it might be Friday is not trading. Thursday can be trade, but need to be careful on the S&P 500 and Nasdaq for US. But the rest, UK and Aussie is tradable on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, UK and the Aussie. Then the US market is must maybe like Monday, US session and the Tuesday and Wednesday. So Thursday have to be careful on this because of Friday is CPI. Okay, let's take a look at the chart. We start with the S&P 500. S&P 500 got a few interesting zones. Okay, let's go to daily chart because most of the zone I draw is based on the daily. Okay, so first of all, nearest zone is this two zone. For the downside, is from this daily rejection low. This daily rejection low to the next target level is a monthly rejection low. This is the first zone, the first sell zone, and the second sell zone is after break this monthly rejection low is the next target is a monthly gap. So this is from the downside to zone to sell zone. Okay, the upside buy zone is nearest buy zone is this one. It's the daily rejection high to the next level of daily rejection high. So this is quite interesting for buy zone. Then another zone is on top here after this daily rejection high to the all-time high. So this is not likely. The most nearest to zone is this buy zone and the sell zone. Okay, then go down to 4-hour chart. Only need to be take note is this zone is okay, quite clear. If really market close, first time come in, then small rejection and then go back. Second time break is quite interesting, but I'm not sure it's possible the market can be come into this zone and straight away go to this. Then maybe I got no opportunity to enter. So upside here, this is a small zone in here from this daily rejection high to this daily rejection high, but quite small and in between got some the 4-hour gap is blocking. So that's why in between this zone I'm not be interested unless market really break through this level, this daily rejection high. So I got a big zone to all-time high. But let's see what is market is doing is because this US and Iran war is still the conflict. Middle East conflict is still ongoing. So I don't think this zone will be utilized for this coming week. Most likely maybe this zone, and I'm more interested like really market drop. This is the sell zone that interested, but here got minor roadblock for our gap. So this one have to be take note, but I don't think this is for the reject. I mean that this is for reversal point, but at least some resistance may be here and before breaking into this level. So this one is a minor roadblock. Okay, so S&P 500, I got two interested zone. Go to Nasdaq. Okay, Nasdaq quite similar. So I got a few zone that I mark out. So based on the daily chart, the nearest sell zone interested is this one. Daily rejection low to the next level is a monthly rejection low. This is a quite interesting, highly possible to be this week coming, but this one maybe need to be we can see same like SMB, monthly rejection low to monthly gap. So this one maybe unlikely the coming week may not be, maybe the week after. So upside here, daily rejection high to the next level. Then here is another zone. So quite a lot of the buy zone, but most likely maybe coming week, I think if really upside, these two zone can be utilized. Go to forward chart, you can see here. So it's a fast zone from the buy is from this daily rejection high to target to 4 hour rejection high. So this is the first zone to buy. Second zone is because this is already tested previously for 4 hour. So that's why it's a 4 hour rejection high. Most likely I will be seeing above this level. So that's why my zone is slightly higher. So from here to next level is the daily rejection high. So this is the second zone. Okay, so this is for Nasdaq. Okay, let's take a look at the Aussie 200. Aussie 200, we are going to see is the daily chart first. So last week is the market really sweep this rejection, weekly rejection low, then to create the monthly rejection low is here. So, but this is unlikely for sell zone for monthly rejection low to next level weekly gap. This one I'm not be expecting to come to this zone, but I guess just to draw out. Important one is because this one is a weekly, previous weekly swing level. So the market is sweep. So it's more like buying side. But let's take a look that from the daily, based on daily chart, the nearest sell zone is here. Daily rejection low to this next level is 4 hour swing. So this is the nearest sell zone. Upside is a bit of okay, 4 hour chart. Upside because last week already we tested this previous 4 hour rejection. This is a 4 hour rejection high. So market last week tested but not able to break through. So I put the zone is quite small. Maybe I may not be trading for this zone because quite small. But on top is a lot of the high resistance like weekly gap and daily gap. So market possible can come and touch to this zone and then drop. So let's see how is market react, but need to be careful. This level is really strong because the market multiple time testing but unable to go through this. So for buy side, I'm not really need to be see how is market react, but sell side is quite obvious. This is a fast sell zone. Then wait and see after this 4 hour swing after break create the 4 hour rejection low during the week, then I will be decide for another zone. But as of now, one is this is a fast sell zone, and then likely will be this one maybe high probability sell zone. So this is for Aussie 200. Okay, let's go to UK 100. Okay, UK 100 is quite likely upside is really a lot of resistance because the market want to go up, but got two resistance is a weekly gap and daily gap. So that's why I don't have buy zone for UK 100. So wait and see how is reaction from this zone. Is really can break through or maybe market will be reaction and then drop back. So if really drop back, I'm interesting is this is the sell zone. So after market break through this daily rejection low, the next target is here, monthly rejection low. But in between have to be a few minor roadblock like here got 4 hour rejection, here got 4 hour rejection. So this one may be slightly a minor roadblock, but in terms of the selling zone is this is the big zone from this daily rejection low to next level monthly rejection low. This is a fast sell zone. If really market drop, then this is another zone from monthly rejection low to next monthly gap. This one is I don't think this week market will become to this zone, but easily this zone can be utilized for this week. If really these two resistance is can hold and market cannot able to break, so likely market will be rejected from this gap and then coming into this zone is quite interesting to sell. Okay, so that's all for this week. So let's see how is market react, and then we trade accordingly. Okay.